Okay, 3:19. We are disembarking now. We never got the official arrival chime. I want to try and make a final ever visit to the upper deck before I actually disembark here.
Yeah, I got crap like that. The whole point. I know.
I just realized they didn't have any certificates like saying you've been on the final flight unless they're passing them out when we disembark.
The one with your seat number on it.
Yeah, but normally on these flights you get like a certificate.
It was a great trip, you guys.
Wonderful.
Thank you.
Sorry, no, keep coming. We'll get you out.
Thank you.
Just kind of feed through the traffic. Go ahead, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. All right, thanks so much. We sure did. We know it. Thank you very much.
Can I make a quick trip up there?
Thank you very much. You guys did great.
Oh, okay.
Thank you.
There. Where's the line?
It's these people right up. Maybe
What
we're
are we
down to
doing?
just these three here.
Okay.
So it's a short line.
Okay.
What are we doing?
Climbing to the upper. Oh, for the last time. Oh, it's nice and cool up here, isn't it? Here's the upper deck business class galley back here.
Very nice.
And I think there's 20 business class seats up here. And the side storage bins up in the hump here. Now this must be the line to visit the cockpit. Whew. So the flight to Newark is boarding in 1 minute. I don't know if I'm gonna take that.
Take up 45 minutes.
Yeah.
You know where that well, the problem is you know where those gates are apart though? Yeah. You gotta take the wiki.
I ran that one.
Did you run it?
Coming in Hawaiian, because Hawaiian went tech. Going into Island.
Yeah,
Their AC packs went.
we went by a bunch of all the other United planes are out over there.
They opened the tail exit to go check the AC packs.
That is cool.
Yeah. That's not something you see every day.
No.
I don't know that I'm ready to jump on another airplane
flight back.
immediately
Back to
right
Newark?
now.
To
To Newark,
Newark's 12,
and
I
then
think.
to Washington.
Oh.
The Washington nonstop only runs on Saturday, so
Oh. I didn't know that.
it's
So hang out here for 4 days.
Get on the Chicago. It's at 4:50.
yeah, that's only 30 minutes later. So I might check if there's any last minute hotel bargains and go back tomorrow night. I don't know.
Or there's
Tuesday,
We'll
there
see.
have to be.
Oh yeah.
Tuesday in early
in
November
November.
shoulder
Yeah.
season, and
Yeah,
it's
that
yeah.
has to be.
Hopefully, we'll see. I didn't get that far in my research. I only got my seat confirmed late last night, so
Oh, so they've got a winner in Virginia.
already.
Who's that?
Oh,
Near
is it-
Virginia?
It's
Yeah.
8:30 there.
Northam.
Huh.
Interesting. My bag here will go up. Exactly.
Oops, sir.
Me, both of y'all, one smile. Thank
Gotta
you.
back up here.
Thank you very much. Appreciate it.
We're used to putting through, what did you guess, 150 people an hour.
Yeah.
Awesome, next. However, just
Oh, this guy looks like a real pilot here.
camera ready, please.
Just the top and the bottom.
Gotcha.
Get through. We're really good at this.
Oh, it's nice and cool in here at least.
1,200 pictures, I guess. A day.
I think I'm going to be spending weeks going through all my pics and videos.
Oh,
Thank
yeah.
you so much, Captain. This was a
Certainly.
wonderful
Thank you both.
experience.
No, thanks for joining us.
And it's I think it alerts if
Have
you're
your
trying to
camera
capture.
ready.
Camera ready.
Okay, so goodbye to the upper deck. I was fortunate to have a few flights up here over the years. Yeah, I don't think I'm getting on this flight to Newark. They're already boarding, and it's leaving in like 20 plus. It's like leaving in 45 minutes.
I like to question a man's ambition in life, but that I think is overly ambitious.
Well, originally there was going to be 2 hours between flights, but we ended up, what, about 45 minutes late, and then by the time you do the final tour, and yeah, it's... Ooh, I just want to stay in the AC for a little while. It's like, you got the perfect spot back here. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
Bye, Upper Deck. All right, go get my stuff. What a special, memorable occasion this has been. Oh, it is not, but I will take it out there and see if this was from what, 20K? Okay. Oh, there's our smoker.
That's right.
Yep, I had to sit in the captain's seat.